children, good morning. This is Vijay, your drawing teacher from PS Public School, wishing you a very blissful morning. In this class, I will teach you how to draw an aeroplane easily, okay? Come on, let us start. See, for drawing an aeroplane, first you have to draw a egg. What is this? This is the egg. And here you have to extend the egg. Okay? You have to extend the lines, you have to extend the egg lines, and here you have to end it. Okay, in this portion you have to extend here like this. Okay, after doing this much, here after extending this, here you have to draw the tail. Okay, after drawing the tail from here to here, you have to join the line. Before that, you have to rub these lines. See here, you have to rub these lines. After rubbing these lines, you have to take a line from here to here. See here, from here to here one line, another line from here to here. Okay, after drawing these two lines, you have to draw its, what is this called? Wings. Wings and the tail wings. For drawing these two wings, you have to rub the line inside this one. See here. Okay. Now here, in this portion, you have to make a window like this. And here you have to rub this one. After doing this, you have to rub here to here, you have to rub, and here you have to put the lines. Okay, after putting the lines like this, what you have to do is you have to rub one after the other, the middle lines. See here, you have to rub these lines so that it will look like window. Okay, see now it is looking like the window, isn't it? Those are looking symmetrically equal. Okay, after this you can draw clouds. Where will the aeroplane fly? It will fly in the sky, isn't it? So we can draw clouds, some two clouds here, 2 or 3 clouds, one small, one big. Okay, like this. It is easy, isn't it? Okay children, after drawing this, color it and post it in your group. From this week we will post which is the good drawing in your group. Okay, the best drawing will be rewarded and posted in your group. Okay children, bye, have a nice day.